The next big thing in crypto? Top 5 altcoins for 2024 and 2025. Are you ready to discover the next big thing in cryptocurrency? Stay tuned as we dive into the top 5 altcoins you need to watch in 2024 and 2025. The crypto market is constantly evolving. What's hot today might be old news tomorrow. That's why it's crucial to stay ahead of the curve and keep an eye on the projects with the most potential. In this video, we'll explore 5 altcoins that are making waves and could see significant growth in the coming years. Remember, this isn't financial advice, but it is some good old-fashioned research and due diligence to help you make informed decisions. Let's get started. Ethereum, the grandfather of smart contracts, is leveling up. This platform has been a cornerstone in the blockchain world, setting the stage for countless innovations and projects. First up, we have the OG smart contract platform, Ethereum. It's the pioneer that introduced the world to the concept of programmable money and decentralized applications. You know Ethereum, you've heard of Ethereum, but are you aware of just how much potential it still has? Despite being around for several years, Ethereum continues to evolve and push the boundaries of what's possible in the blockchain space. Ethereum is like the granddaddy of smart contracts, the foundation for countless other projects and tokens. It's the bedrock upon which many decentralized applications and financial systems are built. But it's not resting on its laurels. The team behind Ethereum is constantly working on improvements and upgrades to ensure it remains at the forefront of blockchain technology. Ethereum 2.0 is here, and it's a game changer. This upgrade is set to revolutionize the platform, making it more efficient and capable of handling a larger volume of transactions. With the transition to a proof-of-stake model, Ethereum is becoming faster, more scalable, and more energy efficient. This shift addresses one of the biggest criticisms of the platform, its high energy consumption. This upgrade addresses some of the biggest criticisms of the platform and paves the way for wider adoption. By reducing energy usage and increasing transaction speeds, Ethereum 2.0 is setting new standards in the blockchain industry. Think about it. Lower transaction fees, faster processing times, and a more environmentally friendly approach. These improvements make Ethereum more accessible and attractive to both developers and users. This isn't your 2017 Ethereum, folks. The platform has undergone significant changes and improvements, making it more robust and capable than ever before. This is a new era. Ethereum 2.0 marks the beginning of a new chapter for the platform, one that promises greater efficiency, scalability, and sustainability. And with the growth of DeFi, NFTs, and other blockchain-based applications, Ethereum is well-positioned to remain a dominant force in the crypto space. These sectors are booming, and Ethereum is at the heart of this growth. The demand for ETH is only going to increase as more developers build on its platform. Now, let's talk numbers. The more applications and projects that are built on Ethereum, the higher the demand for its native token, ETH. While past performance is not indicative of future results, it's worth noting that Ethereum has seen incredible growth since its inception. Its value has surged, reflecting its growing importance and utility in the blockchain ecosystem. And with Ethereum 2.0 fully rolled out, the potential for further appreciation is significant. The improvements brought by this upgrade could drive even more interest and investment in the platform. It's like investing in the internet back in the 90s. Just as the internet transformed the world, Ethereum has the potential to revolutionize the way we think about finance, contracts, and decentralized applications. You don't want to miss out on this. The future of Ethereum looks bright, and being a part of this journey could be incredibly rewarding. Cardano building a better blockchain. This isn't just another blockchain project, it's a revolution in the making. Next, we have Cardano, a project that's been making headlines for its scientific approach and ambitious roadmap. Unlike many other projects, Cardano is built on a foundation of academic research and peer-reviewed studies. Cardano is all about building a more secure, sustainable, and scalable blockchain. Their focus is on creating a system that can handle the demands of the future while maintaining the highest standards of security. One of the things that sets Cardano apart is its use of peer-reviewed research and rigorous development processes. This ensures that every aspect of the blockchain is thoroughly vetted and tested before implementation. They're not just throwing spaghetti at the wall and seeing what sticks. They're taking a methodical approach to blockchain innovation. This careful planning and execution are what make Cardano stand out in a crowded field, and this approach is paying off. Cardano has seen significant progress and success in its various initiatives, proving that their strategy works. Cardano has already made significant strides in areas like identity management, supply chain tracking, and voting systems. These applications demonstrate the versatility and potential of the Cardano blockchain. They're not just building a cryptocurrency, they're building a better future. By focusing on real-world applications, Cardano aims to solve some of the most pressing issues facing society today. Cardano is also focused on financial inclusion, aiming to bring blockchain technology to developing countries and underserved communities. This could revolutionize access to financial services for millions of people. They're using their platform to empower individuals and create a more equitable world. By providing tools and resources, Cardano is helping to level the playing field. Now let's talk about their native token, ADA. This token is integral to the Cardano ecosystem and plays a crucial role in its functionality. ADA is used for staking, governance, and securing the network. Staking allows users to participate in the network's operation and earn rewards and transaction fees on the Cardano network. These fees are essential for maintaining the network and ensuring its smooth operation. As Cardano continues to grow and attract more users and developers, the demand for ADA is expected to increase. This growth is a testament to the project's strong foundation and future potential. And with its limited supply, ADA has the potential to become a very valuable asset. As more people recognize the value of Cardano's approach, the demand for ADA is likely to rise, making it a promising investment for the future. Chapter 3. Polkadot connecting the blockchain universe. Now let's move on to Polkadot, a project that's tackling one of the biggest challenges in the blockchain space: interoperability. In the current landscape, blockchains often operate in isolation, unable to communicate with each other. This creates barriers and limits the potential of blockchain technology. In a world of siloed blockchains, Polkadot is building the bridges that connect them all. These bridges enable different blockchains to interact and share information, creating a more unified and efficient ecosystem. Imagine a future where different blockchains can seamlessly communicate and share data. This would allow for a more integrated and versatile blockchain environment, where the strengths of each blockchain can be utilized to their fullest potential. That's the vision of Polkadot. They aim to create a network where blockchains are not isolated entities, but part of a larger, interconnected system. They're creating a network of interconnected blockchains, like a decentralized internet of blockchains. This network allows for the transfer of any type of data or asset, not just tokens, across different blockchains. This interoperability opens up a world of possibilities. Developers can build applications that leverage the unique features of multiple blockchains, creating more robust and versatile solutions. We could see DeFi applications that leverage the strengths of multiple blockchains, offering more comprehensive and efficient financial services, NFTs that can be traded across different platforms, and much more. This cross-chain functionality can revolutionize the way digital assets are managed and exchanged. Polkadot is also designed to be highly scalable, meaning it can handle a large volume of transactions without slowing down. This scalability is achieved through its unique sharding technology, which divides the network into multiple parallel chains. This is crucial for mass adoption, as it ensures that the network can keep up with demand. As more users and applications join the network, Polkadot can scale to accommodate this growth without compromising performance. And let's not forget about DOT, Polkadot's native token. DOT plays a vital role in the network's governance, allowing holders to have a say in the future direction of the project. DOT is used for governance, staking, and bonding on the network. Staking helps secure the network, while bonding is used to connect new blockchains to the Polkadot network. As the Polkadot ecosystem grows and more projects build on its platform, the demand for DOT is expected to rise. This growth is driven by the increasing number of developers and projects that see the potential of Polkadot's interoperable network. It's like investing in the picks and shovels during a gold rush. By supporting the infrastructure that enables the blockchain revolution, investors can potentially benefit from the widespread adoption and success of the technology. Chapter 4. Solana, the need for speed. Next up, we have Solana, a blockchain platform that's turning heads with its lightning-fast transaction speeds and low fees. In a world where speed is king, Solana is the Ferrari of blockchains. Solana can handle tens of thousands of transactions per second, making it one of the fastest blockchains in existence. This makes it ideal for high-frequency trading, gaming, and other applications that require near-instantaneous transactions. But Solana is more than just speed, it's also incredibly cost-effective. Transaction fees on Solana are a fraction of what you'd pay on other major blockchains. This combination of speed and affordability has made Solana a popular choice for developers, and its ecosystem is growing rapidly. We're seeing innovative projects popping up on Solana all the time, from DeFi protocols to NFT marketplaces. And then there's SOL, Solana's native token. SOL is used for staking, governance, and transaction fees on the network. As the Solana ecosystem expands, the demand for SOL is only going to increase. Chapter 5. Chainlink, bringing real-world data to the blockchain. Last but not least, we have Chainlink, a project that's solving a critical problem for the blockchain industry, the Oracle problem. In simple terms, Chainlink provides a secure and reliable way to connect smart contracts to real-world data. Think about it. Most smart contracts rely on external data sources to function. For example, a decentralized insurance platform might need access to weather data to trigger payouts. Chainlink provides a decentralized network of oracles that feed this real-world data into smart contracts. This ensures that the data is accurate, tamper-proof, and available when needed. Chainlink is like the missing link between the blockchain and the real world. It's enabling a whole new wave of decentralized applications that were previously impossible. And as the demand for secure and reliable oracles grows, so too will the demand for Link, Chainlink's native token. Link is used to pay node operators for providing data to the network. So there you have it, the top 5 altcoins to watch in 2024 and 2025. These projects are all pushing the boundaries of blockchain technology and have the potential to revolutionize various industries and sectors. Remember, this is not financial advice, and it's essential to do your own research before investing in any cryptocurrency. The crypto market is volatile, and there are always risks involved in trading. But by staying informed and keeping an eye on the latest trends, you can position yourself for success in this exciting and rapidly evolving space. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates on the crypto market.